All right, let's see what it looks like. Hopefully it's awesome. Oh. Hey guys, it's St. Patrick's Day, and today I've got a Guinness, and I'm gonna make some Guinness beef stew. So stick with me and we'll see how it goes with this edition of Fork and Drinks. All right guys, for this recipe we're gonna need bacon, cubed beef stew steak, Guinness, Yukon Gold potatoes, yellow onions, celery, carrots, parsnip, beef broth, tomato paste, garlic, 2 bay leaves, dried rosemary, dried thyme, black pepper, salt, Worcestershire sauce, however you want to pronounce that, and flour. And I prefer the Dutch oven. I'm chopping onions. That is so exciting. Right, and big. Phelan. Hello. Half inch. Half inch. That's a half inch or 1.5 inch? Alright, so this is a parsnip. Never used a parsnip before. It's like a fatter carrot. It looks like a... that was interesting. It looks like a carrot and a potato made a baby. Yeah, I'm gonna just eighth them. 4 shots. Okay guys, you're gonna want to preheat your oven to 350. Okay. That's too much bacon. Said no one ever. Sure. I'm gonna dice up our bacon. Always best to do that when it's raw. Dicing our bacon as best we can. You're baking me crazy. It's bacon! Never realized how fat my back was till this moment. So we're gonna add our beef, our flour, and we're gonna do our pepper and our salt. Well, that's a big piece of beef right there. Get out of there, flour. With your flour. Like that meat. Bacon in there. I'm using the Dutch oven. The best oven ever created. And we'll just reuse this spoon. We are gonna fry up our bacon. Hey guys, sorry there. I was too busy drinking beer to realize that I forgot to tell you to take the bacon out of the pan when it's done and put it on a plate. And then put the beef in the bacon grease. Oops. All right, guys. So you want to probably do this beef in batches. You never want to skip this step of browning your beef. We're cooking this in bacon grease. I love it. Now we're doing our onions. These got to cook for about 10 minutes or until they're browned. See all the goodness brown bits at the bottom? That's gonna come up later when we deglaze it. We added the veggies and the garlic. Now this is the fun part where we deglaze with the Guinness. About 16 ounces. About a bottle and a half. And about a half a bottle right there. Okay, let's start deglazing. And all the yummy brown bits from the bottom. And the remaining ingredients. I'm gonna add the bacon and the meat. And then the remaining ingredients. Thyme, rosemary, Worcestershire, broth, the paste. And then we cook for 2 hours. We'll be eating around 7. All right, then we're gonna pop it into the oven. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. All right, then we'll see it in a couple hours. All right, the time has come. The big reveal. Let's see what we got. It's been a little over 2 hours. Smells really good. Ooh. All right, let's see what it looks like. Hopefully it's awesome. Oh, oh, that smells so good. Wow, you see that? Wow. Look at that, you hear that? Hey guys, here it is. Looks awesome. Smells really good. Wish you could try some. It's really gonna go great with my Guinness. I'm just gonna try a bite. So good. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Guinness goes really good with it. Only had a few of these. Well, thanks for watching another episode of Fork and Drink. And please make sure you like, subscribe. If you want to see more recipes like this, I really make a lot of food. So thanks a lot, guys. And I'm going to see you on the next one. I'm going to need to drink some more. And I opened it with my little Enterprise here. I know I'm a dork.